Hello friends, welcome to Intellect Digest. And if you're looking for a premium Windows laptop and you want something beyond MacBooks, this may be the best laptop, especially for the top executives who value lightweight, easy to travel with, long battery life, high performance, AI on the go and local AI on your laptop. This is the ASUS ExpertBook. They have launched this with a lot of options available in terms of configurations, and you can get it configured with really high-end specification. It comes with a touch screen display. The weight is approximately 1.2 kilograms. I'm not gonna talk too much about specs. It comes with the Intel Core Ultra processors up to 64 GB of RAM, 2 terabyte of storage you can configure, and it comes with some really cool feature. As soon as you boot, there is an LED which is right here under the ASUS ExpertBook moniker here, which glows up. The display is super sharp and is very high resolution, and it is very strong. I'm holding it by the edge of the display. Yes, they demonstrated this at the launch, and you can see it is flexing, but it is all right. It's not breaking. It is made up of a special alloy. The surface treatment is also special so that it does not create scratches or it gets worn out. The keyboard is also very high quality. The key travel is very satisfying, just like you find on some very high-end Apple products. These are special blue markers on these keys to be used for your video conferences at all. And there is this physical slider provided right on top of the camera, so you can physically shut the camera shutter for your privacy needs. It comes with up to 20 hours of battery life on the go, so you don't need to travel even in your need to charge it in your travel. In your long haul flights, the battery will last for up to 20 hours. It has Copilot built in. It also has a lot of performance packed under the skin because it has high-end processor with top-notch technology. You get Copilot with it. It gets the local AI, so you don't need to be connected to use AI. You can have AI models running on this because it has very high number of tops. In terms of thermal management, there is this mesh provided on the bottom which comes with dust filters. You have full-size HDMI ports. There is a USB-C charging, and the charger comes with the PD charging, and it's also very compact. It comes with it. It also comes with a dongle in the box if you want to use it with Ethernet for the privacy purpose, so you can connect it with one of the USB ports on this. If you look at the ports closely, it supports 10 Gbps of Ethernet. There is one Type-C here from where you can charge, another Type-C on this side. You can connect Type-C, dongles, etc. Full-size HDMI, so you don't need to carry for conferences and projection. You don't need to carry special cables and dongles just to project. And there's also a 3.5mm headphone jack. The audio quality is also very sharp and crisp. The display is also impressive. All in all, if you want an elite machine for you, if you are a top executive and don't mind spending a little bit on the higher side, because it starts around 2.5 lakhs. This is the top of the line machine. You can pick up one for yourself, the ASUS ExpertBook. I'll leave the links in the description if you want to pick up one. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.